Fresh Start to Fitness, brought to you by Intermountain Healthcare.
We have Jeff Beck here from Intermountain Healthcare Heart Institute with some exercises that people can do at home. I mean, a lot of times people don't have time to go to the gym. This is things you can start slow.
That's right, yeah. This is for people who may be wanting to start an exercise routine, but they just don't know where to begin. So you'll do these 3 exercises several days per week.
Oh, wow.
And yeah, go ahead and take a seat, Mary. It's actually the couch potato to fit routine, so you can serve the role as the couch potato for me. So yeah, once you master these 3 moves, you're going to graduate to a more structured routine. But we'll start by doing what's called the sit to stand. We're just going to come down onto the couch here like so, and then just simply stand up.
Without swinging your arms.
Without swinging your arms.
Without using the arms of the chair.
Exactly. You want to start, if you have to start with, that's okay. But as you get stronger, you'll want to refrain from doing that. So you'll just do 1 set of as many as you can and build up to 3 sets of 10 reps. The next one we're going to do is this seated crunch. So we're going to cross our arms over our chest. We're going to lean back until our shoulder blades hit the seat of the chair or the back of the chair, and then return to starting position, keeping those abs nice and tight. There we go.
It's a little bit.
Yeah,
you feel
it hits
something.
it just a little bit. It's nice and easy, not too intense.
Going
to do, again, 1 set of as many as you can, build up to 3 sets of 10 reps. Then the last one is the chair dip. So this is great for the triceps. Just going to come out like so. Lower yourself down until you feel a slight stretch in the shoulders and back up. Just like this. Again, just do 1 set of as many reps as you can. As you get stronger,
and if your body weight's a little bit much, that might be too hard to do, right?
It might be too hard to do. So in that case, just go down, just a little bit, just maybe like so. But as you get stronger, 3 sets of 10 reps, and then you can graduate to, like I said before, a more structured routine. It's a great place to start.
It might look easy, but it actually starts. You start to feel it.
You do start to feel it eventually.
And you'll get stronger.
Yeah, it's a great starting place.
All right, do it during commercial breaks.
Yeah, there you go.
In the meantime, watch the news, right, guys?